project about?
Right. Our project is talking about the challenges and obstacles for the international student who studies in the United States.
Thank you.
Okay, our project is talking about climate change. Nowadays, government and the country is start to focus on the climate change.
Our project is talking about exploding difference between American daily life and Chinese daily life.
Our project is about negative influence of technology and how to solve it.
Our project is about homesickness with international students in Hofstra University.
Our project is about diversity, especially in the food, culture, and language part.
As a peer leader, how did you help your team members know their roles in the project?
For each person in the group, they all had their own skills and interests that they want to talk about. So I just helped them find a way to be able to put their own interest into the topic that we're talking about.
Okay, thank you.
I actually think the sort of division of roles came really naturally to our group. I believe they all already knew each other, and they do work really well together. And so it was just sort of this natural process of like, okay, this is our topic, I'm going to work on this angle, and you're going to work on this angle. So it was a really like fluid process. Yeah.
Great.
So we began our project by brainstorming. So as we were coming up with ideas to incorporate in this project, I helped to sort of take into account everyone's interests and then divide up the roles based on who wanted to do what. And I also helped to ask guiding questions to give a direction to the project.
We started out with a lot of different interests, and part of my role in this group as a peer leader was trying to find a way so that all of their interests could be addressed in the project. So in the end, since our project was creative and we had a little bit of freedom in what we wanted to choose, we were able to combine like a musical performance with a speech so that Jia could practice her presentation skills and Shun could do what she really enjoyed, which was playing music.
Wow.
So since every member in my group has an underlying commonality in terms of cultural and language background and interests, it was easier to coordinate those similarities and personalities to reach a final decision in terms of talking about Chinese urban life and American daily life.
How do you coordinate your differences as a team to decide on your final topic?
Yeah, this is a very good question because actually we started from the very tough beginning because like my friend mentioned before, we have like different people from different country, also different culture and different perspective. So we had lots of things to talk about, but we decided to take like compromising way. So instead of digging deep in only one problem, we will present four different perspectives from different people from us. And because we think that it's gonna be very pervasive, more interesting, and also more useful.
So we wanted to find a common interest among our group members, and then we found photography can be a very good way to express ourselves. And it can also be very powerful to just using some words to describe something. And I think it is a good way to reflect the whole world.
We all found the similar backgrounds and we have the similar interests.
Because we are very interested in the differences between different cultures.
Everyone in our team is unique, and we're all from different backgrounds. We communicate openly with each other, share our topic, and it helps us to understand each other and find a good way to have a topic of our project. And also we have an excellent team leader and a mentor, and to encourage us to update our project.
We choose this project is because the new technological revolutions has brought many different changes in the society and our daily lives, and we need to know what happened in the world, and the development of science and technology directly promotes the development of economy and society. We need to know what happened and the new changes in the world, so we choose this project.
There are a lot of immigrants and people of different cultures here, and it is very important to higher education.